Hey there, meet the portable cordless car vacuum with 15,000 PA powerful suction and a brushless motor for lasting performance. This handheld vacuum features 2-speed modes and a turbocharged dual blade rotating at 98,000 RPM, making it 80% stronger than regular cleaners. It comes with a versatile cleaning kit including multiple nozzles, brushes, an air blower, and a storage box to keep everything organized. The 4000 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 30 minutes of continuous use after a quick 3 to 4 hour charge with a convenient Type-C cable. Designed for multi-scene use, it not only cleans cars and homes, but also works as an air blower and pump for deflating or inflating. The cordless design gives you freedom to clean every corner without hassle, and its high-quality HEPA filters trap 99.99% of dust and pet hair. Experience powerful, versatile cleaning that fits perfectly in your car, home, or office. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.